Hey y'all, hey. So I know y'all wondering why she's standing by two heater boxes. Well, let's go and get into the video so I can tell you.
A journey through time.
Hey y'all, hey. Welcome to A Journey Through Time. My name is Wendy. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. So, have y'all ever heard of blind date with a book? Well, I'm gonna do blind date with a gift. Okay? So I'm gonna take these two heater boxes and I'm gonna make them mystery Christmas boxes, basically, where I will put some gifts inside and take it to my take it with me when I go out in the street selling, and they get to pay either $5 or $10 or however I do it to pull out a gift. Have no clue what's in it, but they get to pull out a gift and it's theirs. Now this concept that I'm about to do, it was inspired by my girl Tiara. Hi, Tiara. And she wanted me to bring it to life. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to bring it to life. Okay. So let's just go and get into the video because there's a lot. All right. So let's get into it. Okay. First things first, I'm going to cut this box out, cut me a window out of it. And I've already, okay. Yeah, I've already placed the line where I want the window to be. Okay. Whew. Window one. All right. So I'm taking a balloon box, cutting out my square, helping me guide me through tracing around this thing. Okay. Another box cut out. Now it's time to paint it. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I had to bring it outside because, honey, it's not going to dry that quick in the house. And then I needed some more space. Okay, so I'm going over the pieces, but then I have other pieces. I'm not going to paint the bottom of the box, though. So, because I still plan to decorate it. So, just painting where I need to paint it, and then I'm going to jump to the other box, and then I'm going to let it be so it can dry.
Okay. I think I covered this whole box already. Yeah. So this one's covered. We're gonna go on and start on this one. I think I'm gonna leave the top closed on this one like this. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the top closed on this one. It's pretty good for what I'm using it for. Yeah. Okay. What y'all think? Trying to make sure I ain't got no runs. Okay.
Okay, so the boxes are dry. I'm putting tape over them because I'm going to paint over the box.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You give
Okay, y'all, so I don't like how it turned out when I was pulling the tape off, so I've been trying to fix it, and now I'm actually using some ribbon that I had that I don't care to put on my gifts that much. So now I'm actually trying to find a way to make it, look as presentable as I can, and satisfying to the eye for me as well. So I am trying to hold on, apply ribbon on it and see if that, helps it a little bit. Again, I am picky. Y'all know this, so that's why I'm still messing with the front of this box. Okay. So now I had already applied some red strips, but now I'm actually applying some ribbon. And this is really just for the front, but I hadn't even thought about the sides. So sorry if I'm in the way. Just give me a second. I put this glue on this box. And then I'm going to put it down at the top. Now I'm just trying to look and see what it's looking like. And what else I have to do to make it look like something. Obviously, a lot. I have to do a lot. Now the bottom of this, I'm putting a sled down here like that. So I don't have to do too much down here. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So this one here is pretty much almost 100% complete. Um, I might do a few more touch-ups on it, and then I got to put the plastic window in it. But we're gonna go on and start on this second one. Okay. This one's gonna be totally different. Okay, so definitely want to put this here on the side. So start it right on up here like that, and put it on the side. Okay, y'all. Now we have our blind date mystery box created. So now we got to put some gifts in there. So on this side of the room, it's going to be for the adult box. And on this side of the room, it's going to probably be for the kids box. Okay. So let's go and get into the gifts that I'm going to put in them. And I'm going to try my best to wrap them also. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to let you see me wrapping one of the mystery gifts. It's going to be one of these. I have a lot of jewelry and I'm thinking about incorporating these in the boxes. This is going to be, of course, the adult box. And the person to get it, if they can't use it, then they could always give it to someone else that can. And so I'm trying to let's see, maybe I shouldn't have put that in there yet. I'll put this in there first. Push it down in there because I put a little bit of glue on the box. And I was gonna put some shreds around it, but I might not even have to do that. Nope, there ain't no room in that box for nothing. Okay, that's fine. Now I had already popped it, so I'm gonna have to tape it back up. And I'm gonna show y'all the gifts that I have for the adult box real quick. Tape always mess up when I'm trying to use it. Okay. Anyways. All right. Got it in there. Got it in there. All right. So here goes some of them. These are the ones that's gonna be in the adult boxes. Okay, that's most of the jewelry. Did I glue this one down? I don't think it, yeah, I gotta glue that one down. Here's one. I'm not even putting it because it's a different size, so I like the fact that it's smaller. I'm gonna put one of these in there. All kinds of perfume. I'm gonna put some of these in there. Okay. I'm gonna put the bluey nightlight in there. All right, and then I'm gonna put a lot of perfumes, like I said, and then I'm putting these shades in there. So yeah, that's just for the adult side. Okay. So right now I'm trying to master this candy wrapping thing. So y'all gonna have to bear with me because this is I gotta throw that one away. This is my first time doing it, so okay, quick disclaimer. Um my little gift wrapping is candy gift wrapping is gonna be totally different from everyone else's. This is my way. I tried the other way and it is really it's like too much for me actually. Not only do it take too long, but it's just a lot. And I can't seem to get the gist of it. So
So I'm doing it the Wendy way. Y'all know I'm always doing it the Wendy way. If something don't work out, it still serves the same purpose. Okay. Okay. With that being said, now let's go on and get into this video. Get into wrapping these gifts. This was the way that I attempted to try to do it. Their way, or what I can see other people doing, but this here was not for me. Okay, it's not for the weak. All right, so okay, y'all. The boxes are ready, the windows are in, and the gifts are wrapped. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill up this one first. This is actually the kids' basket. So basket. I'm so tired. This is the kids' box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead on and start putting the gifts inside. All right. Just gonna lay them in there. I did make some of them in the candy shape. I managed to figure it out, y'all. And it took a lot. Okay. So as far as showing y'all how to do that, baby, Wendy ain't the one. I ain't the one because it was hard. It was hard. But I'm trying to put all these goodies in here. Still filling her up. Try to keep some of the other ones in here the best I can. Come on now. Put some more into. They're falling every which kind of way, I know. And I can't see back here. Hold on. Well, let me pull it closer. Okay. Put one there. All right. So that's the kiddos box right here. Perfect. I'm gonna slide this one over out the way. Okay. And pull up the adult one. All right, all right, all right. It's kind of big right here, so we're gonna put that in there first. It's so funny. People think the bigger ones are, sometimes people, even the kids and us, we always think the bigger ones is the ones that pack the punch. In this case, it's not. It really isn't. Okay. So y'all get to see all these cuties that I do have. Look at that little one. Make sure I put that one in the front, because it can definitely get lost in the sauce. Okay. This one in there. A little heavy. Got your girl working, breathing hard over here. Baby, I think I got too much. Y'all see me still grabbing, right? All right, two more, y'all. Two more. Look. All right, that's it. That's it. That's it. Come on, y'all. Stay on in there. Like, I'm gonna be able to close this one. And I realized I left one out of the kids. It's over there on the chair. I think it's the kids. Hope it is. Ooh, this thing heavy. Okay. Yeah, this is the kids. Got one more for the kids box. Okay. They're done. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I like a challenge, y'all, but this baby, this was a challenge. Okay. It's a challenge. It was a challenge, but it's done. Okay. This is adults. This is the kids. I'm going to charge a fee to go in these if you want to pick a gift out of it. I think this is going to be so much fun, you know, so I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully you guys will try it. It is a lot of work, but it'll be worth it. Please, please let me know Whew. Let me know what you think, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I really look forward. I really, really look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the next video. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.